In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and clean the filter of this Kenmore PlasmaAir air conditioner. This is a model number 580.73069300. This should be a similar process for ACs like this. So all you want to do is on the side, you have this right here, and the same thing on the other side. And you just want to grab it and pop it out. And actually this filter just kind of fell down. This one's pretty gross. This particular air conditioner, it is pretty important to clean these filters. And this one's, I mean, I've seen worse, but it's not great. So we're gonna clean this. So that's the first step. Take it out. And I'm also going to clean up all this stuff in here because that can work its way in here. So if you wanted to start by getting the big stuff off of here with a vacuum, you can do that. And I vacuumed it from the side that was facing towards me. All the stuff is going here, so you don't want to try and suck it through this side. And then we'll clean out this as much as we can. If you have a brush, you could brush this and kick up the dust basically and then suck it up. But this can work. You can try and get the coils here. Just be gentle. If I can get this adapter in there, this should work pretty good. Of course, this is not a deep clean. Really, all these fins should be cleaned. This is just a routine maintenance kind of thing that I'm doing now. And I might come back and actually really clean this. But I'm just showing you how to change the filter. So let's go clean that. You can take the filter to a sink of your choice. And you can use warm water and some mild dish soap if you want. But this is not too bad, so we're just going to rinse it, get all the dirt out of here. If it's really bad, you can get a toothbrush and get in here and scrub it. And do both sides. Give it a good rinse. Once you're happy with how clean your filter is, you can dry it if you want. I don't think it's 1000% necessary, but dry it off. And then to reinstall, it says up right here. I think this is a little handle, but it was this way before. So we'll put it in this way. It's going to go sneak back behind these two tabs. Just like that. And push it in. And it'll lock into place. Then push these closed. This is an older unit, so it's not going to be perfect. That one doesn't seem to lock in, but apparently these are really good air conditioners. So if you still have one and you needed to know how to remove and clean the filter, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.